In this video, I will show how to fix RegEdit Not Working in Windows 10 or 11. So simple thing, open File Explorer, then C drive, then here Windows. Now here find out System32 folder. One, open it, and here you have to find out this folder RegEdit32. Copy this one, paste on your desktop, right click and rename. Give any number like add any number, double click on it. So this is the one method you can try in your Windows 10 or 11 if registry editor is not working. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.